Greetings everyone, and welcome to my channel. Even though I release a lot more short videos that might not directly align with my main theme, I haven't forgotten about those of you waiting for content like this. Recently, while browsing through Banggood.com, I stumbled upon this DIY signal generator kit that seemed quite appealing, especially considering its price of just $6. Let's examine whether it lives up to its promising appearance. Stay with me till the end of the video, follow and like the video, and thereby assist me in enhancing and improving my YouTube channel. As you can see, this time there's no intro video. I've decided to switch things up a bit. If you don't mind, please leave a comment on whether you prefer the video without the intro or with it. This signal generator is not difficult to assemble, making it suitable for electronic enthusiasts of all ages. This DIY kit is particularly good for beginners, as it teaches precise soldering of components. Although the instructions are somewhat sparse, I believe they are more than adequate and will guide you toward assembling the device correctly. In this video, I aim to debunk a myth that you always need soldering paste for accurate joints. I simply suggest using high-quality solder wire, and you'll rarely need soldering paste. I personally use Stanley soldering wire without encountering any issues. It's not as cheap as the Chinese versions, but it's definitely worth it. Once assembled, the device functions correctly. However, I encountered significant issues triggering the signal with the DSO-138 oscilloscope. When I adjusted the frequency within the working zone of the DSO-138, I managed to capture the signal. Therefore, I realized that the DSO-138 isn't an adequate oscilloscope for testing this signal generator, which can reach up to 1 MHz in frequency. I highly recommend this kit. For the price, this signal generator is truly cost-effective as it does its job and can be helpful in various situations. I purchased the version with a transparent acrylic case, and the completed device looks exactly as shown in the picture. Thank you for watching, and please remember to follow and like the video. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.